back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone daily work from home job lead for you. This one comes from a company that is very highly rated. The company Samba Safety has 132 reviews on Glassdoor, and their rating is 4.9 out of 5 stars. So this looks like a great company to work for. But of course, if you want to read the reviews and do your own research, the links to this page plus the application page if you want to apply are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, Samba Safety is hiring a manual order processing and compliance specialist. This is remote for the United States. Samba Safety offers the industry's most comprehensive drive-in monitoring software. It says it helps communities reduce risk through data insight. So companies use the Samba Safety to keep their employees safe on the roads and reduce risk and help protect their brand and their bottom line. So I'm assuming this is some kind of software that tracks how fast they drive, if they were in wrecks, all kinds of things like that, that then feeds that data back to the company, letting them know what their drivers are doing in their company vehicles while they're out on the road. There's two different parts to this job, the compliance function and the manual ordering processing function. Now, in the manual order processing function, you'll be processing manual motor vehicle record orders for several offshore territories and Canadian jurisdictions. So if they're requesting their records for how they've been driving, this will be what you will be processing, those orders of those records. So you'll handle a high volume of driver releases, and you have to analyze those before submission and complete a high volume of data entry of the offshore territories and Canadian jurisdictions. Now, if you have to communicate with the customers with their orders, you'll be responsible for assisting the customers via email through Salesforce within 24 hours. So this is completely non-phone. In the compliance function, you'll respond accurately to consumer and customer requests for disputing things that are on their credit report. You'll be the key contact to resolve the frontline issues for the consumers regarding requests for their motor vehicle records and accuracy of their records as it appears on the credit report or not on the credit report, the accuracy of any information supplied to the motor vehicle record. Now, if this sounds like something you're interested in, they are not requiring any kind of college degree, just somebody who has a great work ethic, someone who has strong attention to detail, excellent customer service skills, especially the precise email communication, the ability to troubleshoot issues, the ability to multitask and prioritize your work, and they're looking for someone who is eager to learn. Above that, you've got to be able to type at least 40 words per minute. There's a lot of data entry in this job. Now, they are looking for someone to specifically work Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours. Pay for this position is $17.50 an hour, and of course, they offer a standard benefit package that includes a paid time off, 401k, health benefits, all the things. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please feel free to leave anything specific down below that you are looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Also, if you have any suggestions on how I can make this channel better or things I could do differently, feel free to leave those down below too. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.